Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Today I just want to show the finished product here. This is a wiring harness that came from a diesel S-Class W140. I believe it's a like 94 S350 turbo diesel. Part number would be 140-540-0006. Now this is the glow plug wiring harness for glow plugs. It's relatively short, yes, but it's really not that simple though, because the wire gauge here is thicker, plus we have the connections here that very heavy duty, okay, and the wires are very difficult to snake through. I mean, I like to keep them as original as I can keep them, so this is basically what it looks like. It's pretty much as factory as you can have them, except what gives it out is obviously new wires here and new wires here. Well, you can see these, but some wires and old insulation, as you can see. You can get rid of all of it. Some little specks of old insulation. Now, the original wires were also taped in certain areas. Now, if the wires need to be moved here and there a little bit, then obviously you can remove the tape and move them around. But this is how it came, looking like this basically. Same with this holder. You have some areas here that are also, they were taped from factory. This is already my tape here, put some red tape, but it's obviously not visible. Same here. And that is the holder. Now the holder I did not open up, although in this area, as you can see, they're like plastic welded at some spots, like many different little spots. They're plastic welded. This one, for some reason, is separating. I don't know why, but I'm probably gonna put a dab of glue in there just to hold it together. But yeah, so this is basically what they look like. Yeah, the wires are a little bit stiffer now, and I made them just a little bit longer. But again, it's the best I can do with this harness. It's gonna work just fine. And the part number for the plastic is weird. It's a 124 part number, W124. And yeah, but that's basically what it looks like, and it's ready to be installed back into the vehicle. All right, so this is it. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.